Welcome to Simply Beautiful Music Theory. In this video, we're going to train your ears to recognize ascending musical intervals rooted in C. Ascending intervals are when the second note is higher than the first note. We will also include unison. Unison means two of the same note. This exercise will not include the minor intervals. The difficulty level for this video is 1 out of 5. By the way, this channel has videos that cater from beginner all the way up to the very advanced. Here's how it works. Each interval will play 3 times. Then, you'll hear the answer. The interval will then play one more time so you can lock it in. After that, we move on to the next one. I'm confident that with intentional repeated listening, you can become an interval virtuoso. Thanks for listening, and have fun training your ears. Unison. Major 6. Perfect 5th. Major 3rd. Major 2nd. Major 7th. Octave. Perfect 4th. Nice work making it this far. Here's a trophy just for you. If this video is helping, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Another trophy's waiting at the end. Back to the intervals. Octave. Perfect fifth. Major sixth. Major second. Major seventh. Perfect fourth. Major third. Unison. Major second. Major sixth. Perfect fourth. Unison. Octave. Major third. Major seventh. Perfect fifth. Nice work making it all the way through this interval workout. You've earned yourself the Gold Whale Trophy. Your ears just did some serious training. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Simply Beautiful Music Theory, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future ear training sessions for different levels of difficulty. More videos are on the way to help you grow your musical ear step by step. Thanks so much for listening and training with me today. See you in the next one.